In this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox kick due to unexpected client behavior 268 error. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to leave a comment down below, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe. Now let's jump straight into the video. The kick due to unexpected client behavior 268 error in Roblox occurs when the game server detects that the client or your device is sending unexpected or invalid data. This can happen for a variety of reasons, such as outdated game files, corrupted game data, or a poor internet connection. When this error occurs, the game server kicks the player out of the game to prevent further issues. To fix this error, you can try several troubleshooting steps like restarting your device or updating the program. The kick due to unexpected client behavior 286 error in Roblox can occur for a variety of reasons, but it is often related to issues with the game's servers or the user's network connection. Here are some few potential solutions to try for you to resolve this issue. First off, you can try to fix it by going to your control panel. Just go to your window over here and search for control panel. It should look like this. Now go ahead and click that. Once that's open, you're gonna want to look for Network and Sharing Center right here. Open that. You should see your Wi-Fi there. But what you're gonna do is go to the left-hand side right here and click the Change Adapter Settings. Then another window will open, and there you will see your Wi-Fi again right here. Right-click on it and select Properties. Now as you can see, there is an admin badge beside it, so once it pops up, just select Yes and you should be fine. After that, once it's open, scroll and look for Internet Protocol version 4, right here. Then of course, select it by clicking on it and tap Properties over here. Then another window will appear. And what you're gonna do here is, at the bottom you will see Obtain DNS server automatically. Then what you're gonna select is use the following DNS server address. And you're gonna put two different numbers on both at the top and the second one. First is 888, pretty simple. And for the second one is 8844. And then click OK to exit everything. Then I recommend to restart your computer and that would be just fine after that. For the next one, what you're going to do is go to your Windows Start right here and search for command prop or CMD. It should look like this. Once it appears, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Then once again, a pop-up may open asking you if you allow this application to run. Just select Yes to proceed. Now that it's open, you're gonna follow commands that I'll be using. So, first off, do this. ipconfig/flush DNS. And then there you go. That's the first command. Then for the second command, you're gonna type ipconfig/renew. Give it a second. And there you go. This one shouldn't be seen, so I had to blur, but basically that's the second command. And for the last command, which is going to be winsock reset. And there you go. It says restart your computer in order for it to fully activate. And you should be good to go. Load up Roblox and the error should be gone. Just a disclaimer, it might still not work, but just stay with me because we have other options to try. So let's move to the next. For this one, you will once again open your control panel in your Windows Start right here. Search for control panel and open it. Once you're there, you're gonna look for programs and features. It should be right here. Click it and find Roblox in the list of installed programs. And you're gonna want to uninstall it right here. Make sure to have your logins all saved so you can still get back on it once you install it. Then of course, you're gonna want to reinstall it. After reinstalling it, try to also restart your computer and log back in, and the error should be gone. These are not all the fixes we can do. We still have more options, so stay with me and let's go to the next. So for this another option, this may take some time, but what you're going to do is pretty simple. You'll just have to do nothing and wait for at least an hour without using your computer or without opening your Roblox account. It might sound weird, but sometimes overusing the game can cause this error. So for this another option, this might take some time, but what you're going to do is pretty simple. You will just have to do nothing and wait for at least an hour without using your computer or without opening your Roblox account. It might sound weird, but sometimes overusing the game can cause this error, so maybe taking a break will be a good fix for this. While waiting, you can just try other things like going outside or doing stuff that's not related with opening the game. And before I show you the final step, here are top 3 special mention that you should also try. First, restart the Roblox application. Sometimes simply restarting the Roblox application can help to resolve this error. Second, clear the Roblox cache. Clearing the Roblox cache can help to fix any corrupted or outdated game files that may be causing the error. To do this, go to the Roblox settings by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner of the Roblox app, then click on the Security tab under the Clear Browsing Data. Click on the Clear button next to Cookies and Other Sites. Lastly, disable any third-party antivirus or firewall. Sometimes antivirus or firewall software can interfere with the Roblox application, causing unexpected behavior. Try disabling any third-party antivirus or firewall software temporarily to see if it resolves the error. Now after all that, we have come to our final solution, which is downloading Evon. So if you want to know how to download Evon safely, just search up another video on how to do it. But now in here, as you can see, there's an option here. First is the 286 fixer that indicates that it might not work on other device. So we have here another option, which is the revert 286 fixer. Just select any of those two and you should be fine. Now again, this still might not fully work, but you can try all of the ways that I have shown you, and for sure one of those can fix this error. I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe. Now, thanks for watching!